like these ones. I'm not playing those ones.
So what do you call this show again?
It's a glimpse.
Glimpse, it's gonna be here. Huh?
So, yeah. You're gonna do YouTube.
Okay, it's gonna be on YouTube, okay?
Well.
So all the kids will be on YouTube.
Okay.
Those are wonderful.
Thank you. I'm enjoying it.
Yeah.
I have a tons of pictures as you do, right?
Yeah.
Millions and millions of pictures. And
Mommy, I've got one question. Why are you not? Oh, you're playing. What are your new pictures?
I have different pictures I can clip.
What about?
Next time I'm gonna use that. Okay. Can you recognize where this is? This is crack in the Blackfish Gallery.
Yeah, we didn't get much. Yeah, when the first offer.
And so different people said different things, and you could get those kind of opinions. And we
Bring it on. They gave us 2,000 when we were out.
yeah.
Yeah.